Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're planning to visit Dubai for tourism, vacation, business meetings, or to see friends and family, this video will guide you through the entire Dubai tourist visa application process. Don't pay fake agents or get your visa rejected. In this video, I'll show you the complete step-by-step process to apply for a Dubai tourist visa legally, the required documents, fees, processing time, and the common mistakes you must avoid. Let's get started. The first thing you should do is check whether your nationality requires a visa before traveling. Some travelers qualify for visa-free entry or visa on arrival, while others need to apply before departure. Next, choose the correct visa type. The UAE offers 30-day and 60-day tourist visas, with both single entry and multiple entry options. Now, let's prepare the required documents. You'll need a passport that's valid for at least 6 months, a passport photo with a white background, and depending on your nationality, you may also need hotel reservations, return flight details, or other supporting documents. When applying, always use approved channels, such as licensed UAE travel agencies, airlines, hotels, or the official immigration services. Where applicable, avoid fake websites or agents promising guaranteed approvals. Complete your application carefully. Upload clear documents and verify that every detail matches your passport exactly. After paying the required fees, your application will be reviewed. Processing usually takes between 1 and 5 working days. Once approved, you'll receive your electronic visa by email. Download it, print a copy, and keep another copy on your phone before traveling. Remember, overstaying your visa can lead to fines, so always monitor your visa validity and leave or extend your stay before it expires. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone planning a trip to Dubai. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. YouTube description. Planning a trip to Dubai in 2026? This complete step guide explains everything you need to know about applying for a Dubai tourist visa, including visa types, asterisk required documents, asterisk application process, asterisk official fees, asterisk processing time, asterisk common mistakes to avoid, asterisk tips for getting approved. Whether you're traveling for tourism, family visits, or business, this guide will help you prepare your application correctly. For official visa information, asterisk UAE Government visa information, asterisk GDRFA Dubai Tourist Visa Services. If this guide helped you, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more Dubai travel guides, visa updates, job opportunities, and daily life tips in the UAE. Thanks for watching this video.